see if this works first. Or twice. Alright guys, we are about to be doing a backtesting live stream right now. I haven't done one of these in so long, so hopefully you guys join the live stream. And yeah, we're going to see if we gotten better. Alright guys. Click the red button right here to join the live stream. Alright, give me 1 second guys. I am not ready, fuck. Yo, what's up? What's up? I am backtesting. I am backtesting. Give me 1 second. Let me put it up here really quick. Display capture. Let me hold up. Not display capture. Window capture. There we go. There we go. But I'm not ready at all. I gotta make sure this fits. It's gonna look whack. Hold on, let me create the session really quick. Q. Let me put in queue really quick. In queue, ES. Let's just go to a random date. Let's go like January, like 2023 or something. Office all the time. Alright, there we go. How does it look? Let me see. Should go in orange. Oh my god, this looks fucking ugly, bro. Alright. I got it. I'm gonna... Hold up, let me fix everything, bro. I thought it was gonna look nicer, but no, it looks complete terrible. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna fix it for you guys. I'm just gonna make it regular. Fuck it. Business. I got to orange. An activation fee. Actually, let's put it at the top corner. Fuck it. All right, put it at the top corner, and then just make this look like this. All right, there we go. All right, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Let's see. Hold up. Let me fix something first. Hold up, guys. Give me 1 fucking second, bro. I thought I was prepared, but no. I honestly was not prepared at all. Oh, my gosh. Wow. I'm not ready for this shit. Ooh. So cool. Hold up. I'm almost done. Hopefully you guys there we go. Okay. Think about your dumb face all the time. Alright. All right, give me like 1 minute really quick. Walked across. Give me 1 minute. Guys, I've been like kind of getting mentored by Johnny, and like so far it's just stuff that I've already like know. It's just him like kind of like adjusting it just a bit. But so far I feel like I'm getting like slightly better. Who knows? Maybe you guys can give me some ideas also. And bro, basically I'm pattern trading. Technically, I'm literally pattern trading this shit, and it's like working. Oh, simple things, where have you gone? How much, bro? We made like, oh, hold up. Yes, I'm backtesting. Yo, how do you get the code with Alpha Futures? More trades actually DM'd me and asked me if I wanted to get hooked up with Alpha Futures, and I was like, yeah, fuck it. Yo, check Discord. There's nothing here. Bro, I haven't been live at all this week. I've been like so locked in, bro. All right, let's get started. I'm only like 10 minutes. Oh, simple things, where have you gone? All right, you guys ready? Oh. This is nothing. Or you switched it. I'm still using ICT concepts. It's just like a different brand of concepts. It's like I'm basically trading CRT. I'm just trading CRT. What? Hold on, let me get started really quick. I fucked something up, bro. How do you determine bias? I look at the 4-hour time chart. Oh my god. I look at the 4-hour time chart to determine my bias. I'm about to get in all of that in like 2 minutes. Every day we backtest to still be unprofitable. Type shit. Type shit. Alright, let's get started. Alright, basically, this is basically the rules here. Go on the 4-hour time chart. This is basically what I've been like practicing type shit. So first of all, we go on the 4-hour time chart, right? Go on the 4-hour time chart. And then after that, look at the 2 a.m. candle. All right, let me fix. Let me read you this. I forgot to record this. All right, let's see. So this is basically the whole thing that we're doing. So basically, I go on the 4-hour time. So first, go on the 4-hour time chart. Second, look at the 2 a.m. candle, or mark out the high/low of the 4-hour 2 a.m. candle. 3, go to the 10 a.m. candle. 3, wait for the 6 a.m. So wait for the 4-hour 6 a.m. candle to close. 4, did we break above/below the 2 a.m. candle, below the 4-hour 2 a.m. candle? If yes, target the next high/low. If we close within the range and sweep high/low, look for opposing side. And then 7, find, and then entries, mark 1, find out premium / discount. Second, wait for a 15-minute CRT. 3, enter off OB that swept out liquidity. This is like the trading plan that I've been working on, and it's oh yeah, we need a 7 CMT, SMT, 4 SMT. So this right now looks kind of iffy, but I'll break it down. Is it easy for you to sit wait for these to happen? Yeah, of course, of course. How long have I been trading? I've been trading for about almost 3 years now, bro. It's about to be 3 years pretty fucking soon. So, let's get started really quick. So basically, let me get a sip of water. I'm thirsty. All right, let's see if we get it. So each candle is fractal, right? Each candle is fractal. So that's what I'm opposing. That's what I'm like proposing. So basically, I go on the 4-hour time chart, right? I tell myself you don't mean a thing. Okay, so I go on the 4-hour time chart, right? And first, you want to mark out the high and the low of the 2 a.m. candle. And look at that, we close above. So now, if each candle is fractal, right now, so this right here, this is the CRT range, right? Because we haven't fulfilled. So each CRT range, each candle has its own range, right? And the reason why I didn't mark up this 2 a.m. candle is because we still have this candle's range. We were just accumulating here, and then we manipulated it. It looks like a pure. So right now, this is my range. So since we broke above here, I'm looking to target this high as of right now, right? But after we take out this high, I would like to see some shorts if we have SMT at the highs. So now, boom, my next draw on liquidity is this high. But looking at the 10 a.m. candle, let's do my sweep it. So right here. So I'm honestly looking for shorts now, right? And the reason why that is because we just took out the draw on liquidity. So right now I'm looking for shorts, and I'm looking for this next draw on liquidity. So now I'm looking for a 15-minute CRT, right? I'm looking for a lower time frame CRT. And it looks like we have SMT at the highs right now. So let's see what happens here. So this is my CRT range. So right here, we have SMT here. Order block. This is your order block, and this is my entry for shorts. And I want to be targeting like this. That's like not, I'm not going to hold it to that low, obviously. Let's see what happens here though. Wow, okay. Okay, so the draw on liquidity was right? The thing is, like, we didn't get entryed off this order block. And yeah, that's just tough. That's fucking tough, my G. That's just fucking tough, right? Draw on liquidity was right. Just couldn't get filled at this order block, which is completely fine because I most likely would have entered here anyways, because like I would have, but I wouldn't want to enter all the way down here and then my stops be 21 fucking points. That's just not me. I would have liked to see price retract to this order block. I don't use inversions, bro. I genuinely hate entering off of inversion fair value gaps. But order blocks seem to be more powerful, honestly. But yeah, this trade was a miss. Next day, fuck it. Next fucking day. That was my order block. Try to enter a market more often, I guess. Yeah, no, it's just like I just couldn't fuck. All right, next day. So look here. So now, if each candle is a range, right? So this is my candle's range. The 2 a.m. is my candle's range, right? Because this candle has been filled. So now we break below here, right? So what can we anticipate? We can anticipate this low to be our next draw on liquidity, right? So now I'm kind of leaning more towards shorts. So now I want to find my premium and discount here, right? And it looks like looks very choppy here. So I'm gonna go in the hourly and mark out my high and low here. So this is my premium and discount, and this is my draw on liquidity. So I would like to see price come back up to a discount or a premium before going towards this draw. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so this right here, we tapped the discount, right? We just have to tag it, right? And then boom, no SMT. So now since this candle's a range, right? This is our next candle's range, but we have no SMT at the highs on the 15 minutes, so I'm not taking this. Even though it might work. So okay, so we end up taking this low, right? It looks like I missed it. It's completely fine. So boom, we have SMT at the lows now, and draw liquidity on the 4-hour has been hit. So now, listen. I could look for longs. I could look for longs if the setup is provided. So boom. Right now we just wait. We just wait. There's no SMT here anymore. We just wait. So now, look at that. This candle has been closed above, right? Boom, close above the candle here. If we do, it's fine. So we don't close above, right? This could be our CRT to go lower, but I'm not going to take it because drawn liquidity on the 4-hour has been hit already. So let's see what happens. Okay, boom, right here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. We have SMT at the lows. This is our candle range. This is our CRT. So now we want to look for the candle that swept out liquidity, which was this 4-hour candle. And the reason why I'm not looking for this low is because this candle has already been fulfilled. So this is our next candle's range liquidity. So now here, well, I'm not just going to enter off of any order block, right? You want to look at this, right? Which down close candle has more body than wick, right? So this one. So I'm looking for price to close above here. Boom, we close above, enter. Stops at the slow. And what you can do is look to target this high, or you could target standard deviation from here. We have -2 through 5, and -4 marks perfectly near this high, our draw liquidity. So we're going to go ahead and place a market order. So see what happens. Oh shit. Okay, hold up. We just wait. Let's just keep waiting. Let's just keep waiting. Okay, let's re-enter here. Possibility we might re-enter, but there's no SMT at the lows. So right now, I want to wait. Okay, frick me. Okay, so, I mean, were we really wrong? Were we really wrong? Perhaps we were wrong. But look at this. We just go back up. So were we really wrong? No, not really. Now we just wait. Were we really wrong? So since we have no SMT at the lows, I can still look to target this low here. So look at here. No SMT. I'm not taking this. Hold up. Okay, boom. SMT here. This candle, I'm waiting for an order block here. Okay, hold up. I'm like dead ass like choking. Hold up. I got this. Trust. Sweep. This right here is my order block. Right here. I'm waiting for a candle closure below. All right, so we close below, right? So thing is, we're not gonna just enter all the way here and have 40-point stop loss, right? What we can do is mark out the premium, mark out this range, and enter our 50% mark of this range here. And now our risk has been de-halved, honestly. And where's my target? Standard deviation. Hold up. We have, and plus we have lots of low resistance here also. Let's see what happens here. Oh, what the fuck? What do you guys think about this trade? See if we can get filled here. All right, we get tagged, right? Boom. Bro. Oh, what the fuck is happening? Bro, I was literally cooking. I was literally cooking earlier. I was literally cooking earlier, bro. I think I'm just nervous. You've been out for the 4 years. You're gotta start overdoing backtesting. The strategy will change. You keep pulling the button, feeling impatient in the real market. No, the thing is, I know it works. I fucking know it works. I know it works, bro. Okay. Let's calm down. All right, let's lock in. Actually, let's lock in for real. All right, I'm taking off my shirt, bro. Let's lock in. Let's actually lock in. Let's actually lock the fuck in. Let's lock in, actually. Let's actually lock the fuck in. Alright. Let's lock in. Alright, so right here, we just took out this range high. Right? We sweep below. We have SMT here. So right now, I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for a lower time frame CRT here. So we come back up, re-sweep out this. I know we have SMT on the 4-hour time chart. What the fuck? I'm waiting for a candle closure right here. I'm waiting for a lower time frame CRT here. I know we have SMT here. Boom, sweep. This is the order block. Can we come back up here? Okay, boom. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place my limit order here, or my market order here, and target this low right here. This is my target here. This low. What? All right, bro. I'm cooked. How did you have enough money to go to Thailand, bro? Affiliates, bro. Fucking affiliates. If I'm being completely honest with you. All right. Actually, let's lock the fuck in, bro. Am I this fucking bad? Bro, we were just bullish. Because, like, bro, CRT is based. You can literally pattern trade CRT. All right, bro, listen. All right, mark at the next candle. We break above the 2 a.m. candle, right? Do we have any SMT at the highs? Oh, this is the wrong day. Okay. Mark out the 2 a.m. candle. Boom. Boom. So now, do we have any SMT at the highs on the 4-hour time chart? Yes, we have SMT here. go to 15-minute time chart. I want to see 15-minute SMT here. I want to see a lower time frame SMT, lower time frame CRT. Boom, CRT here. We can look to anticipate this low here. If we can get an order block here, I'll take it. Nope, nope, not yet. I'm not looking to take this. I'm waiting. Sweep. SMT here still. Candle that's that liquidity. This right here. Honestly, I'll wait for this candle. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Enter off here. Stops at this high. Where's my target? Target is really down here. Let's see if we can get filled here. I'm hitting this. I'm hitting this trade. Bro. What is happening? What is happening? What the fuck is happening? Q. What is happening? What is happening? Alright, okay, I think okay, listen. I got it. I got it. I got it. Alright, I was just fucking with you guys. This is easy. This is easy. This is actually easy. I got it. This is actually easy. I'm not even tripped out. I'm not even tripping. Wait, hold up. See if we can get filled at this 50% mark. Alright, boom. Get filled at this 50% mark. Stops at this low. Alright, I'm anticipating this high. This is my drawn liquidity. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh, I'm so fucking good. I'm so fucking good. Oh my god. I fucking knew it. I was just fucking with you guys the whole type shit. Bottom tick. I'm a bottom ticker now, bro. Stops to break even. Target this high. I'm a bottom ticker. I'm a bottom ticker. I'm literally a bottom ticker. I'm literally a bottom ticker. Like, don't do that, bro. I'm literally a bottom ticker, bro. Can we just get this high? It would be nice. It would be very nice, actually. We're ranging. We're in a range bound market right now. We're ranging. 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 Wow. Okay. I guess I thought fucking break even, bro. Fuck. Alright. No, it's chill. 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 I know. I understand it. I understand it. I understand it, bro. Sunday mornings were your favorite. I used to meet you down a Woods Quick Road. Alright, we're chilling. I'm not looking for anything right now. I honestly wouldn't. I'm not looking for anything right now. Sunday mornings, I just sleep in. It's like I buried my faith with you. Alright, we have SMT here. Inside of a fair value gap. Now, I would like to see a lower time frame CRT on the 15-minute. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't want to say goodbye, cause this one means forever. Bruh. I mean, I get that we were bullish, bro. Oh, fuck me, bro. Okay, I gotta chill. Bro, I gotta chill. I actually gotta chill, bro. For real, for real. I think it's just like, I miss trading futures. Should have taken it on your desk, bro. Search on YouTube with the name Trading. Yeah, I've seen him before. I'm just nervous, bro. I actually have gotten a payout before, bro. If you go on Top Step and you go to the payout tab, type in my name, it's there. It's there. There's no SMT at the lower time frame. Alright, so let's go here. And I don't care. I can shoot you like a Kendall. Alright, I'm bullish. I'm waiting for our lower time from CRT. Oh, what's happening? Alright, perfect. This is fine. SMT. If we can close above this candle here. Alright, perfect. I'll go ahead and long here. So if this low targets this high, this CRT high. Alright, let's see. Perfect, okay. Let's keep holding this. Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. There we fucking go. There we fucking go. Okay, perfect. Okay, okay. No, I got this. I got this. I got this. I got this. I got it. I got it. See, look, it would have held. Okay, I got it. I got it. I fucking got it. I fucking got it. I know what it is. No, the higher time never. I'm just saying it in my head. I'm not saying it out loud. I'm just saying it in my head. So the higher time frame narrative is like, bro, like for example, okay, so mark out the range like here. This is the range here. We break above here, right? So I'm anticipating this draw on liquidity, right? Because if each candle is a range, if each candle is a range, like if each candle is a range. And if we're breaking above with the body, we can anticipate the next draw to be higher, and vice versa, right? So right here, this candle's a range. This right here was just accumulation, right? Because look at this range. We don't take out the high or the low, right? So now, I can anticipate higher prices since we broke above here. It's just a breaker structure on the lower time frame, and plus the higher time frame, right? So now. Watch, my G. Bullish, right? If we're bullish, I just want to look for a lower time frame CRT, right? So, okay, now we just took out this high, right? So now the draw liquidity that I was looking for, we just took out this high. So we can either keep looking for longs or look for shorts, right? And the only reason why I would look for shorts is if we have 15-minute SMT, right? So right now, I'm just chilling. There's no range here. I'm waiting for this candle to close. Now, this next candle here, right? I could either, so now this is our 15-minute lower time frame CRT, right? Draw liquidity has been hit on the 4-hour. Now we just kind of just wait to see what happens here. All right, look at that. So Now we just take out this low, right? And we have no SMT at the highs, at the actual high, right? We have a tiny little SMT here, but I don't really count this because we're still in this range. So look at that. We break below. We have no SMT at the lows just yet, so I'm not looking to long this at all. So right now we'll just wait. Even though if this CRT does work out, I just wouldn't take it. So that we end up taking that, right? So now look, we have SMT at the highs here now, right? Boom. Sweep. False breaker structure. I would wait here. All right, so SMT here on the hard SMT here. Now look, sweep. Now if we can get a breaker, now if we can get an order block here, I'll take this. Okay, so right here. Okay, look, beautiful, right? This is a basic. This could be our three candle pattern CRT, right? Boom, sweep. Now what we can do is just enter off this inversion, or if we go on the 3 minute here, let's go. Let's wait for this 3 minute. All right, we just close below this low. This is my order block. I'll go ahead and take this entry here. Stops at this high, and I'm targeting this low here. Oh my gosh. Wait, what am I doing wrong with our CRT? Bro, I was literally hitting all day yesterday, bro. I was literally hitting all day. I was literally hitting all day. I was hitting, bro. Low key, I was hitting. I was hitting. Alright. Let's put on my $3,000 watch really quick. Alright. Let's go on the daily real quick. So my question is, if you guys saw TT Trade's video, right? If we're breaking above highs here, we should anticipate this next high, etc. Right? So since we break above this high, or since the previous daily candle broke above this high, so I would be anticipating longs here, theoretically speaking. So I'm anticipating longs here. Go on the hourly. What else can I do? Mark out the highs and lows of like each session here. Boom. Do we have a reason for London session to go? Do we have a reason to bounce? No. So I can anticipate shorts here, right? We get a 15 minute. We get a bro. All right, I fucked up. That's why. Okay. Same thing, right? So if we break above here, I can anticipate this next draw, right? I can anticipate previous daily high as my next draw, right? So now I go on the hourly time chart, and I'm looking at the daily profiles, right? Do we have a reason to go higher? Yes. London didn't really tap anything, right, for us to go lower. So right now I'm anticipating higher prices, right? And we're also in a 4-hour gap. We have a CRT here. So now I'm bullish, right? So now I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for a lower, like a 15-minute CRT on the lower time frame. So now that's my narrative, right? Boom. All right, so right here. We have SMT down here. That's my order block. So it looks like we're going lower here, which is fine. This could be I want to see a New York reversal here. A New York reversal. We're coming down. We're sweeping out more lows. SMT. Like I said, I want to see a New York reversal here. We have SMT here. A CISD, breaker structure, all this stuff, right? Whatever. Enter here, stops at this low. Stops at the protected SMT low. Now we can go ahead and place order, market. And my target is this high right here. Because we just swept up this low. I'm anticipating a CRT here. Okay, beautiful. W narrative, bro. W fucking narrative. Alright, since we tapped 50% mark of this CRT range, you can go break even here. Or you can put stops at this candle's low right here. Because, right, this should be our protected low. And the reason why that is because this is our order block now. So now we'll go ahead and target higher prices. Beautiful. Beautiful, Q. You're actually go now. You're fucking beautiful now. Oh my god. Well, when you come back, bro, I'm gonna go to Thailand next month. I'm going to Thailand next month. Fuck it. I'm escaping the fucking Matrix and I'm going to fucking Thailand. I'm escaping the Matrix. Alright, let's go again. That was a W narrative. I'm not even going to lie. So same thing, right? Go on the daily time chart. Since we broke below this low here with the body, we can anticipate this low. But guess what? We just took out this low. We just took out this low. Right? So now go on the hourly time chart. Look at the daily profile. Look at the daily fucking profile. We were anticipating lower prices, but guess what? We just took out session lows, London lows, and London highs, right? Boom. But guess what? We're starting to see structure towards the upside now, right? And plus we're on a daily fair value gap, hourly CISD. Like, bro, longs. Longs all fucking day. Longs all fucking day. I'm not taking this. Okay, now I'll take it. Boom, SMT. Boom, CRT. We come down, resweep at this low. Now, if we can get a candle closure above here, I'm taking it. All right, we get a candle closure above. I'm taking it. Plus inversion, whatever, right? What are we targeting? I want to target 2R, but this is like kind of like this is my first target here. But since I don't like it as much, I'm going to go ahead and do this. See if we can get filled at 50% mark at this range. Watch. This trade is going to hit. Watch. Okay, so it looks like we just tap this and just run up, which is completely fucking not fine with me because I'll be pissed. I would be pissed, right? So let's see. I'm still bullish here. We have so much more room to the upside. That's when a low swept. Alright, perfect. Right here. Perfect. We have SMT at the lows. SMT at the lows. We resweep. This is our next candle range, right? Boom. So now I'm just looking for that order block. This is the order block. Boom. Enter longs. I'm slapping longs here, bro. I'm literally slapping longs here. Stops. Like, I want to target 2R, but this is my my main draw on liquidity, to be honest with you. I'm slapping longs here. What the fuck? Hold up. What CRT? CRT is candle range theory. SMT is smart money technique. Do you know who Flux trades is? He's a goated. I feel like I've heard of him. Hold up. This is our discount and premium. That's on me. I mean, like, bro, we still hit. Like, bro, like, we still hit the draw on liquidity. Next day. Bro, inverse, I'm not trading inverse for value gaps, bro. I don't care. Inverse for value gaps is just not for me. I don't care about inversion for value gaps. It's fake. ICT is fake. Okay? All right. Since we took out this candle range low, I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for longs, right? Sweep. I'm looking for longs. So now I go on the daily. Now I go on the hourly time chart, right? And I'm looking. Oh wow. I'm looking for an hourly. I'm looking for. Do we have a reason to go higher from London session, right? And it looks like we really don't. Or on ES, we have SMT. So yes, we could look for longs here. We sweep. Right now we just wait. All right, I'm gonna mark out my hourly CISD. Wait, no. We're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. Like, who the fuck is trading this? Like, who's trading this? I'm bullish, by the way. Wow. Should I still be bullish? Chat, should I still be bullish? Okay, okay, hold up. Perfect, perfect. SMT. A sweep. I want to see price. I would long here. I'm longing this shit. What? Wait, hold up. Okay, I think I longed at the wrong time. Now I would long. Sweep. All right, now I'm longing. Wait, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not logging. I'm not logging. I'm not logging. Damn, I should have longed. What is happening, bro? What the fuck? Bro, fuck. As soon as I say I'm not gonna long, bro, it goes up, bro. What is happening? Bro. I think I should just trade flags, bro. Nah, this is... It's our time. You claim it's not in your cause. Fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach for me. I need to start marking my premium and discount, bro. If we rewrite the stars, said you may. Like, the only reason why I didn't long here is because this candle re-swept out this candle's low, and now we wouldn't have an order block here. So that's why I'm like, I was like conflicted. That's why I didn't take it. Like, I think I. Could be yours tonight. I think I am going too fast though, low key. What's her model? Bro, it's just order blocks. Alright. Let's go on the 4 hour real quick. Alright, so let's go on the daily. So we closed above here, right? So I'm anticipating longs. So I need to see. I'm gonna look at the daily profile. And where's the daily profile? Did London session tap anything important? Not really. I mean, like this is the opening candle here. Like we tap this new day opening gap and then we just start to pump up. So my thing is like if London session doesn't tap anything important, but like Asia does, would you guys still consider that as like a good thing? Or no? Like the genuine question. No, it has to be London session. Like, does it? You standard deviation? No, bro. I was in that standard deviation route for like longest time, bro, and I was like, nah. I can't. Just buy Powell's course, bro. Someone just give it to me. Fuck it, and I'll leak it. You guys are freaking funny. Bullish. Because if each candle has a accumulation, has an AMD, this new day opening gap was probably like the manipulation here. So I'm looking for longs. And where's my premium and discount on the 15-minute time chart? This. All right, we tap equilibrium of this range, right? So now I'm kind of looking for longs. Let's see. We have SMT right here. And guess what? We have a sweep of liquidity. This could be our CRT model, right? Boom. I would long this. Start this high. Target this high. Target 2R, but this is my main target. Let's see what happens here. Right? Because sweep. Actually. Yeah, sweep, order block, we should be fine here. Boom. Okay, perfect. Okay, gotcha. Chat, this is like a gotcha moment type shit. Right now I want to target this high, right? Let's see what happens here. I would like to see this fair value gap here hold. Okay, boom, perfect. All right, I'll go ahead and just take it off here. Boom, perfect. That's how we fucking do it. That's how easy it is, bro. Simple. Simple. Next. Simple. Cool. Simple. All right, so I'll go on the daily time chart, right? And look at that. We break above here, right? So I'm bullish. I want to say bullish, but I'm gonna go on the hourly time chart. I'm gonna go on the 4 hour, right? I want to see what did the daily candle do, right? If I'm bullish, boom. This is the opening, right? Price manipulated lower. Looks like we took out London session, and I want to see a New York reversal. Right? So now, boom. I want to see price come back down to equilibrium of this range. Fuck, we don't come back to equilibrium. Right? We just keep waiting for price to come back to equilibrium. It has to come back to equilibrium. Like, it has to. Price only goes from highs, lows, and equilibrium. That's all it does. Apparently. Perhaps. I could be wrong. Alright, so boom. Comes back down to equilibrium of the range, right? Perfect. Now this could act as our CRT level. Let's see what happens here. I want to see. We have no SMT, so I'm gonna wait here. Damn, who knew all the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'd be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. What up? Hold up. Alright, perfect. If we get a candle closure above here, I'm logging. Okay, I'm logging. Target is like this high, but I wanna. This. I don't like to target 1-to-1s, bro. I really don't. I'm more of a high RR type of guy. You feel me? But I want to see if I can target like 2R at most. But my main target is this high. Beautiful fucking kill. You're so fucking good, bro. Alright, stop to this though. Alright, now, right? We have a high, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. Now this. Broken the love will never get lost. I want to target 2R here. Frick! Perhaps 1-to-1s might be the move, bro. Oh. Let me hop on. Perhaps. Let's see. Can I mentorship you? Nah. Bro, give up. Bro, I'm never giving up. How much did you make money last week? What do you mean? No analytics yet. He's gonna give you Pal's model. Bro. Would be nice of him. See you again. I got it though. How much? I'm down on the markets, bro. I'm fucking down, bro. I didn't make any money last week. Bro, stop. That's actually so fucking sad. Fuck me, man. Alright. I would like to see longs form, in my opinion. Right? I would like to see longs form because we're in a daily for value gap, and plus this candle, we just came back down to re-sweep this candle range, and I would like to see longs here play out. So now I'm going the hourly time. I want to go in the 4-hour. Look, do we have anything important London session? No. It looks like we get a New York reversal, so I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for our longs for the New York reversal. So I'm looking for longs at 10 a.m. But I hope I never see them again. When all breaks your heart, move to the city on a broke down car and perhaps we could enter here. Bro, why is it ripping without me? I'm still longs. Alright, sweep inside of a 15-minute fair value gap here, also in a discount. This is my target. This is my order block. If price comes back down to this order block, I'm taking it. Longs here. Stops this low. Targets this high. Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. Let's see. Alright, we get tagged. Let's see what happens. Okay, cool. We're cooking. We're cooking. We're cooking. We're cooking. In the pot. I could go break even here if I wanted to. Because we're at 50% mark of this range. Or of this candle's range. But we're just going to leave it. Maybe that was a bad idea. Ah! Let's see, bro. Fuck. The thing is, like, I would go one-to-ones, bro. I don't mind one-to-ones anymore. I really don't fucking mind it. Like, I don't mind one-to-ones. But it's like my win rate just has to be high as fuck. Like, yeah, like rejection block here. 50% mark. Stops at this low. Like rejection blocks. Sure, yeah. We ain't never getting older. Alright, fine. I'll go one-to-ones. Yo, 12. Yeah, I know who you are, 12. I'm in Johnny's mentorship. Let me record you real quick. Something. Wait. Do you trade CRT or no? Alright, we'll do one-to-ones. Fuck it. We'll do one-to-ones. Because, like, I'm getting one-to-ones. Let's see. Hold up. Let's go on the daily real quick. Theoretically... we're still sweeping out this low. So I would like to see like longs form here still. But let's go on the hourly. Or let's go on the 4 hour actually. Did we tap anything important? Not really, bro. This just looks like fucking like complete fucking chop. Bro, how the fuck do you even trade this shit? I mean, longs were correct. I just, bro. Next day, bro. Bro, there's too many rejection blocks, bro. Like, how do I know which fucking rejection block's gonna hold? Like, there's too many rejection. Like, yes, I'm longs. And yes, like, we had a rejection block, like here. Like, how the fuck do I know if this is gonna hold or not, bro? Bro, why would I put on a fucking shirt, bro? Why would I put on a shirt? Why would I put on a shirt, bro? Yeah, no, hold on. Let me retry this shit. All right, let's go on the daily. All right, we break above this the previous daily high. I'm expecting longs. I'm expecting longs, right? So going here, do we tap anything important here? No. So this could be my target right here, right? So I'm expecting a New York reversal here. So I'm just looking for longs on the 15-minute time chart. So I'm looking for CRT here to form, sweep, SMT. We have an order block here. This is basically our CRT model. And we can target one-to-ones. Okay, there we go. Next day. Nice little one-to-ones, bro. Fuck it. I really don't care at this point. Alright, going the same thing. Find the narrative. I'm still anticipating this high still because this is an inside bar. Alright, I'm expecting longs. Do we tap anything in London session? No. So we can anticipate this low. We can anticipate London lows to be the draw on liquidity here. So I'm looking for shorts here. We sweep. We have SMT here. All right, long shorts this. Target 1-to-1s. Market. All right, there we go. 1-to-1s. All right, next. Bro, look at that. We literally would have caught the fucking top type shit. Like we literally would have caught the fucking top. That's like, bro, like look at this. Like we would have, like, bro, we would have caught this shit. So fucking easy, bro. So easy. Trading is, like, bro, like we would have caught the top. But like 1-to-1's high win rate, maybe like maybe like yeah, maybe 1-to-1's could be it. No, this is not a meme coin. This is ICT. This is Nasdaq. Or who knows? Gold. I think gold works so much better. I genuinely think gold's is so much better. To be honest, to trade like ICT concepts on all this shit. All right, go on the daily time chart. Since we closed below this candle's low, or this candle's low, I'm expecting lower prices here. Let's go on the hourly really quick. I'll go on the 4-hour. Let's look at London session. We tap a fair value gap here. So I'm anticipating. I'm streaming. Yeah, since we tap this here, I'm expecting a lower prices still. I'm expecting this to be a protected high. So let's look for shorts. I could choose would be over now. All right, we have SMT at the highs here. Stay out crazy. All right. We have an order block here. I'll go ahead and short this. Target 1-to-1s. All right, I would go break even here. Let's go break even here. All right, there we go. The thing is like 1-to-1s. It's just like, bro. Like 1-to-1s are so random. Like 1-to-1s are so random, bro. Like, bro, like my 1-to-1 target was like right here. This shit's so fucking random. Like my target is just random, bro. Cause like, bro, what if like I enter here, right? And like we took out the slow, and then we just come back to come back up. Like this is like the target is just random. That's just like my ideology. Probably we'll see 12. We'll see. Like the target is just random. Interrupt the order block. Yeah, no, that's what I did. That's what I did here. I just entered because sometimes we don't really get the order block. That's why I just did it. The activation fee is only for advanced accounts. Let's go again. This is just some like. Let's go again. I mean, I do want to just get in and get out. How much does an advanced 50K cost? If you use my code, it's like 70. It's like $125. But that's with activation fee. So like if you pay like $125 for a 50K account on an advanced account, you there's no activation fee. So once you pass it, then you just get the funded account. Answer codes. I'll give you Powell's model. Ooh. Oh, no, I'm playing. Bro, I think I might go. I think I might go to like order flow, or like how do people use footprints to enter, bro? Hakeem, I feel like I've seen you before. Fuck. No, but this is no, one to one is working, so I'm gonna stick with that real quick. All right, let's go here. All right, so basically, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Guys. Yo, I'm also. How do you stream like this? I'm trying to get. To, I use OBS Studio and TikTok Live Studio. Okay, so right here. So we break below this low, right? We break below this low, right? But then we come back up and take out this range as high. But at the same time, my draw liquidity would have been here. So realistically, I want to see shorts, but let's go on the 4 hour real quick. This is when I need to adapt. I mean, here we don't really tap anything higher time frame wise, and we're tapping this 4 hour gap. So this could be a New York reversal. This could be a New York reversal here. Yeah, this is most likely a New York reversal. I'm looking for shorts. All right, we have an SMT here. We have a sweep here. Now, what am I looking for? This is my order block. Low key, this is my order block. All right, perfect. I'll go ahead and enter here. Let's see if we can get filled at this order block. I'm a real street. Oh my. Bro, that was like, dude, this trade would have been like a slow, like, pain. Dubai? Bro. Dubai's too expensive, bro. Dubai's too expensive, bro. Bro, Dubai's too expensive, bro. Thank you for the $3 envy. Thank you. It's definitely gonna help me. Scroll up. Explain order blocks. Wait, scroll up what? I'm not using fair value. I'm using order blocks. Dude, you don't know how to trading. Don't do this thing. Bro, what do you mean, bro? I'm a trading goat. Enter. Okay, fine. I feel like I've seen Hakeem somewhere before, bro. Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Of course.
Alright, bro, listen. Alright, you got standard deviation shits, right?
Yeah.
Alright, last London, it's 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock a.m., right?
Yeah.
The last swing on the 15 minute is gonna be a up close candle and a down close candle. I don't care if it's consecutive up candles with the down close candle, whatever. It's just last swing, right? You last swing the last 15-minute swing, right? Or 5-minute AMD, Asian 5-minute AMD. Last swing that you pair that shit up with a high time frame PD array on the 1 hour, right? Make sure there's liquidity in it. You got that?
Kind of.
Alright, go ahead, do it.
Okay, hold up. Let's go to a different day. So, what'd you say? Start first?
Literally start from true day opening.
So like
which is 18.
18. Okay, bet. Okay.
That's 18.
Yeah.
All right, go to 2 o'clock. Mark out 2 o'clock. Let me see 2 o'clock.
Right here.
All right, now mark out 5 with the vertical cam, with a
With the
vertical
vertical.
line.
Oh, I can bet. Bet. This is 5 and this is 2.
That's 5.
Yeah.
All right, so you see that down up candle
Down right here.
at 2?
Yeah.
Mark that low and mark the high of it. No, with your standard deviation.
Oh. So even if like this 3 a.m. candle swept up the 2 a.m. low, you were still used to 2 a.m.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter as long as it's like 2 to 5.
Okay.
All right, now mark the high of it. Mark the close of it. The close of that swing. So it'd be that up and down candle at 5. No. Yeah, that's cool. All right, now go to the 1 hour.
Okay, this is the 1 hour.
That's the 1 hour?
Yeah.
All right, scroll up. Let me see what's to the left. Because you got liquidity up in there. To the left somewhere. All right, you don't really got shit, but order but. Go down. Go down to the bottom. Mark it towards the downside. Mark the same thing, but down towards the bottom. All right, let me see the bottom. All right, you see that fair value gap down there?
This one?
You got, yeah, that's untapped with liquidity resting right below it. So yeah, that's a good level. Fast forward, see if it taps it. It can tap the upside too. You probably have like a really you can use 30-minute too.
This is the hourly chart, by the way.
All right. All right, it's going to the upside. Mark it towards the upside. Mark the up down candle, like literally the last up down on the 15-minute. Fuck that large ass wick.
Oh wait, where?
The 15-minute.
A London session?
Yeah, from two to 5. All right, you see that up that you see that down close candle? It's like a doji.
Right
Not
here?
that big ass wick. Not that big ass wick. It's one before it. No, at the upside. At the upside. No.
This one?
No, put it back. Put it back. All right, now you see towards the upside, the high of it.
Yeah.
No, put that back. Leave that there. Move it down one. Yeah, right there. All right, now scroll up. Look to the left of it. Look to the left more. Your settings. All right. Damn, you don't have the fucking settings. Can you pair that with a high time? Pair it with a high time frame PD array, like a inverse fair value gap, whatever. Are you? No, it's not inverse.
I mean, to be honest, we don't really have anything.
30-minute. Check 30-minute. Let me see to the left. You got some twos there. Damn, you don't have shit. Scroll up some more because you got the fours. You got max reversal points. All right, let me tell you this. You do that shit, or you can mark 5 a.m. AMD from London session, or really 18 from 18 to 5, right? You can mark AMD, so accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Mark the what is it? The manipulation leg, right?
Right.
And then pair that shit up with a high time frame PD array, which is like 1 hour. You want to use the 1 hour. That's not mitigated or anything, right? And make sure it's liquidity resting before that high time frame PD array, right?
Okay.
So after that, what you want to do is look for a sweep of that liquidity, right? Then you want to wait for a 5 minute SMT, bro.
Yeah.
You want to wait for a 5 minute. All right, you want to wait for a 5 minute SMT at that standard deviation price range within the high time frame PDRA. Then literally, all right, you heard of rejection blocks, right?
yeah.
All right, the rejection block is literally the wick that creates the SMT. So let's say a wick sweeps a high, but ES doesn't, right? That's your rejection block. That's your rejection block wick that you want to be entering off of. On the 2 minute, as soon as the 2 minute enter that wick, you just want to press buy or sell and set your stop loss at the top of that wick. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, so you just wait for SMT. So you wait for the higher time frame, unmitigated fair value gap, and then boom, rejection. You want to wait for the 5 minute rejection block first, and then make sure
No, 2 minute, 2 minute.
2 minute
Five
rejection.
minutes too long.
All
You
right,
gonna miss that shit. You gonna miss it.
2 minute rejection block with, but make sure there's SMT instead of the higher time frame, instead of the higher time frame fair value gap, and then just enter off the rejection block.
Fair value gap, inverse fair value gap. A BPR. You know what BPR is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's basically an inverse fair value gap and a fair value gap piled up. That's like more. That's like more probability. But really, you don't need that shit. You know, just order blocks, fair value gaps, ignore that. Once you in that standard deviation range, you just want to wait for a 5 minute SMT, bro. Wait for it like a literally like a clear 5 minute SMT. You want to see it. You want to see it accumulate a fast move down. Then it's gonna come up and create that SMT, right?
Right.
Then the wick that creates the SMT is gonna sweep. It's gonna sweep that high, but ES doesn't. That's the wick you want to be entering off of. Like as soon as that wick enter in, that's when you press buy or sell and move your stop loss to the top of that wick.
Okay. No, that makes
Do
sense.
you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, you're just entering off of rejection blocks, bro. I get it. It's literally just rejection blocks instead of a hard time for fair value gap with SMT, with standard
Yeah, with the
deviations
standard
aligned with
deviation,
it.
though, you need the standard. You need standard deviation. You
Yeah.
need that shit. I know you say you don't trade with that standard deviations, but in order with that model and shit, you need standard deviations. If your shit not within standard deviations, I wouldn't even take. I wouldn't even take the trade. It's
Right.
as simple as that.
No, I get it.
Like I'm not trying to like judge or anything, but honestly, you just need to find your model because any model works, right?
Right.
You're just going off like liquidity sweeps. Okay, yeah, this high broke this high, whatever. Just focus on one model that works for you, bro, and just stick to that shit. That shit will dead ass work. Like Silver Bullet, that shit worked for me for a little bit. That shit dead ass actually works. Any model fucking works. You know what I'm saying? Just stick to that shit. Even if you get stopped out one day, do the same shit tomorrow. You know what
Right.
I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I
It's
can.
not gonna fail every day. You're gonna lose a trade. Everybody does that shit.
Yeah, no, but I completely understand that the model is just like I get the model that you're telling me. I get it.
All right, let me say this. So it's a dude named Dutch. It's a guy named Dutch, right? He another is another top ticking TikToker, whatever.
Yeah.
I'm in his Discord. His shit only 150 is way cheaper than Powell's, bro. His shit is like literally so simple. That's basically the model I just explained to you. It's basically another top ticking model,
Right.
but it's like way cheaper.
You gotta send it over or what? No, I'm playing. I'm playing.
You said what?
I said you gotta send it over or what? No,
Bro,
I'm
he
playing.
can't gatekeep Dutch. No, fuck that, bro. We making Dutch money. He needs to be known, my nigga.
No,
Like,
I get it. I get it.
though, like people will down talk this top ticking shit, but really it's gonna save you, bro. All you need is a 10 point stop loss, nigga. Like you can trade fucking 10 micros with them risking $200. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Just to
bro.
make like fucking 1500.
I'm not trying to risk like that much. You feel me?
All right, so you trade fucking 5 micros risking 100. Either way, it's a 10 point stop loss with the entries and shit.
Yeah, no, I get it. No, I think right now so far like this 1-to-1 is like low key like working a lot better. To be honest with you.
One on one is good though. Don't even get me wrong. One on one is good.
Yeah, one to
It's just
ones,
everybody's. It's just everybody's
30
preference.
micros, bro. 1-to-1, 30 micros, bro. It's
30.
raps. Yeah, plus it's like 10 points too most of
All
the
right. So
time.
what if you get stopped out?
What?
What if you get stopped out on 30 micros?
I mean, shit. Then I get stopped out. Like, bro, it's just like I know
You
if
know, you see what I'm saying though? Like, all right, a 1-to-1 with 10-point stop loss. All right, what's that?
it's like
With 30 micros.
I mean,
What's that? Like
30 micros is
fucking
like 3 minis.
3 minis?
Yeah,
So what's that? Like fucking
a lot.
$100? 100 with a 10-point stop loss.
30
It's probably like
micros.
150. No, 3 micros.
Oh,
You
three
just said
micros.
three.
Oh,
What's that like?
that's like
Probably
nothing.
180. It's
Bro,
nothing,
that's
right?
like $50, bro.
Bro, I'm telling you, like, I don't fucking know, bro. This whole, like, honestly, this whole retracement, 5 minute retracement, breaker structure, liquidity sweep shit, it's cool and all, but like, once you actually pay for that top ticking model shit, you gonna realize, like, yo, this shit is way better, my nigga. I'm like literally risking $50 just to make fucking 1,500. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, bro. I get you, bro.
It allows you to take multiple trades off that shit.
Like, bro, I love top ticking and bottom ticking, bro. I genuinely do.
Yeah, but I get how people be like, yo, it's some TikTok shit, this, that, and the third. It's fucking whatever. Right? You feel me? We all trying to make money off it.
Yeah, no facts. No, I get it, bro.
I honestly understand that shit. Cause like I use that shit and literally only take a 1 or 2 trade just to be safe. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Cause like I can't fucking handle losing $500 because I'm trying to take a fucking 40-point stop loss. I'm trying to put stop loss at lows and shit.
Yeah, no, that's what that was like my biggest problem too. Like I was like taking like too much. Like the trade was there, but then like the risk was just a bit not for me type shit.
Yeah, the risk is crazy. That's the only thing about it. Cause if it actually gets stopped out, nigga, I lost hella bread. Now that's like 2 weeks of fucking, you know what I'm saying? That's 2 weeks of making that shit back.
Right. No, but
But
I'm gonna keep trying
I,
this 1-to-1 thing, bro. Because 1-to-1 looks like it's working out fairly
yeah,
well.
one on one is good though. Keep doing your thing. I'm not trying to, I'm not trying to down talk you or anything, bro.
Yeah, no,
You
I
keep doing your
understand.
shit. Like, I've been like I remember like hella like probably a year back. I've been watching you back testing on live and shit, bro. I come back and see you still doing it. Keep doing that shit, bro. That ass, you gonna actually it's gonna click for you. That ass,
Hopefully, bro. That's the plan.
cause you back test way more than me, my nigga. You gonna get there. That ass. Don't even lose confidence or none of that.
I got
You
you,
gonna
bro.
get there,
If worst comes to worst, I'm joining Dutch. Fuck it. I love top ticking.
Yeah, join. He's on TikTok though. Look him up. That is.
I got you.
I'm not gatekeeping none of that. That nigga sells that shit for 150. That shit that ass works. That shit's too good. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
But keep doing you, bro. I'm not trying to down talk you or nothing. Don't let these niggas in the chat down talk you or anything, bro. Cause you actually working for real.
Bet. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Hey, bro. All right.
Bro. 5 minute hourly, 5 minute rejection block, bro. It's easy, bro. It's fucking easy, bro. It's just like, bro, I think this might work a lot better, bro. Honestly, genuinely speaking. You said take 75%, then trail. Like I think I might start doing micros and like just do like 30 micros and trail. But like taking profits is like I just hate taking profits. I just hate like what is it? Like bro, like that happens. Like bro, I just hate taking partials because like if I take partials, bro, and like the next trade I lose, then I lose a lot more than I win. So it's like it would suck. That's why I just take it all out 1-to-1s potentially. This girl's calling me. Hold up. Yo, what's good, gang?
Cuckoo, I'm drunk.
Okay, I'll call you back. I'm streaming right now. I'm streaming right now.
Can they hear me?
Yeah, you want to say hi really quick?
Hey, gang.
Hold up, I'll show. Oh shit, bro. Yeah, nah. I got you. I'll call you back soon. I gotta,
Like when?
bro. Maybe like an hour or so.
An hour, bitch. I have things I need to say.
Hold on, I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Okay, say bye to them. They're calling you like the huzz.
What?
My bad. I got you. I'll call you back.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I'm piping that shit. I'm piping. I'm gonna pipe that. I'm piping that shit, bro. I'm piping that. I'm gonna pipe that, bro. Watch. I know she does have a lazy eye, bro. Next, okay. So like, oh, bro, bro, chill. That was a joke. That was a joke, bro. That was a joke. No fashion. All right, let's keep going. Basically, I can't fucking. All right, basically, we closed below this low, right? So boom, lower prices, right? But I want to see if like, if it happened to me, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't playing, I just got a lot to say. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. All right, so now I'm just looking at the daily pro. Oh, this is the end of the day. Hold up. All right. All right, my bad. I didn't. All right, my G. All right. So look at the daily profile, right? So basically, looking at the daily time chart, we closed below this candle's low, right? So right now, I'm anticipating this low. But now, if I found my drawn liquidity, so I go in the hourly time chart, boom. Do we have, what is our daily profile looking like? So daily profile, right? London taps this hourly fair value gap, right? So, okay, so my thing is like, listen. Oh. That was me. Listen. My drawn liquidity is lower, but the lower time frames, like the hourly, is showing bullish price action. So how could I trade this? Right? My drawn liquidity is lower, but the lower time, like the daily profile is showing me that, okay, we tapped the hourly fair value gap, we have an hourly CISD, etc. So how could we trade this? What are we doing? Internal range liquidity. If there's SMC down there, I would long. Oh, wait, let me check. There's no SMT. I ain't talking about it no more. Like, we have SMT down here. Like, I know, like, internal, external. Like, the thing is, like, we've already swept out external, bro. Ain't gotta do all of these. Is it okay if I call you my brother, babe? Alright, okay, you know what? Oh, fuck, this is so tough. Like, what are we doing here? What is it, Hakeem? Don't try if you don't know. Perhaps. Like, we have, like, here, accumulation range. Hold up. Let me mark it at 25.5. We're accumulating here. Oh, wait, this is a news day. Oh, this is, oh no, this is a news day, bro. Look at this. Look at this candle. That's probably why, bro. It's a news candle. That's probably why, bro. That's probably why. I was like, why is it looking like this? Hold on, let me put on a fucking song. Let me put on a banger, bro. Please, bro, please GOV. Alright, let's go again. Alright, go on the daily time chart. Boom. What do we bro? We inside bar. Boom. We sweep out the slow, right? So right here, we have an inside bar. Our draw liquidity is hit, but do we have anything like higher time frame rise, right? Look at this. Okay, as every day is going right. I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for a New York reversal here. Longs, right? Because look at the daily profile, bro. We tap nothing. London session taps nothing. We're looking for longs. I'm gonna see what happens here. Bro, what is happening? Bro, are my longs like just like not right? Nah, I wouldn't take this. Bro, what is happening? Whoop back. Toe tag. No tag. It won't let. Toe tag. I'm gonna long this. Stuff this low. Target 1-to-1s. When you're rich like this, you won't check the forecast. Every day's gonna rain. But a brick do brick can whoop up shit. That's pure cocaine. Oh, I can't say that on stream. Oh my. Oh my. Like, the reason why. Like, bro, the thing is like. Bro, like right here, I entered this off this candle first is because like I didn't think we were gonna I didn't think we were gonna get this retracement. I didn't think we were gonna get this retracement to this order block here. That's why I just entered here. But it looks like we tapped this order block, boom, and like bro, like it works. It works, cuz it works. But like bro, let's say I did enter down here, right? Let's say, hypothetically, I did enter down here, right? This is a 6-point win. This is like nothing, bro. Oh my gosh, I just got like look, I just got this violation. Your live contains themes that some may find uncomfortable has been restricted. Regular like bro. Okay, now I gotta go back to like I need a hero. I need a hero. Oh wait, I can't wait. Like bro, it's just like bro, I'm like getting so many restrictions, bro. Like 6 points is nothing though, bro. Like 6 times 5. Or 24 times 5. What's 24 times 5? That's like $120 if I was on a mini. Like that's like nothing, bro. Bro, that's like nothing. So Monday we mitigating that order block? Potentially. I don't know. Like right here. Daily time chart. Look at that. We break below this low here, right? But guess what? We just swept out this previously low and look like the reaction here could be pedestrian. It could be exponential. So let's look at the daily time chart. Let's look at the hourly really quick. Let's go on the 4 hour. Let's get that daily profile. We took out London high and London low, right? I need a hero. I'm looking up for a hero 'cause in the night. I'm looking for longs. And the reason why that is because if you look here, we do get the hourly CISD towards the upside. And this drawn liquidity has been hit. So I'm looking for longs. But London highs and London lows have been taken out. So I want to see longs form here. I want to see SMT here first. Right now I'm just waiting. Like, longs here are working. I need a hero. I'm searching out for a hero because I need a night. Like, right here, if I was to enter here, it's like a 9-point win. So it's like, it's not even like worth, like, yeah, sure, it works. But like, dude, like if I was to enter, like, I probably would have entered here. And like 1-to-1s here. Like, it works, but like it's like the points here are like not like it. It's like 10 plus points. It's like 10 points roughly. And it's like, bro, mark out the rejection block. Enter. Wait, Hakeem, what do you mean? Like enter the thing? Mark out what rejection block, bro? What rejection block, bro? Johnny's still my mentor. 15 minutes. Yeah, but there's no SMT here. Oh wait, I see right here. We have like SMT here, rejection block. We should respect 50% mark of this rejection block here. Oh, I see. Let's keep going. Okay, I think I'm starting to figure it out a little bit more. I think I'm starting to figure it out. Bro, 10s off, 10s on the court and off the court, bro. Like a 52% win rate. But like this is with like the losses we took earlier. If I do 1-to-1s, bro, I think I could be profitable and like just escape the matrix. Genuinely. This was like with like I think I took like 6 out of 7. Answer? Hold on, let me see. I gotta go call the huzz. Hello?
Alright, hello? Alright, go to the chart.
Alright, my bad. Hold up.
Alright, go to the 1 hour. Go to 1 hour.
Hold on, let me fix this really quick.
Alright. Let me see that. Alright, stretch that shit out. Alright, zoom out. Alright, so you know that market goes for, alright, basically it goes from internal liquidity. Alright, internal is basically a high time frame for everybody got, right?
Yep.
And it shoots, after that, it shoots for external. Then after it takes out external, it goes for internal again. Right?
Right.
Alright, so in this case right here, it took out internal, right? It already took out external, so it just swept internal. Which was like a high time frame fucking fair value gap, right?
Right.
Alright, so we wanna search for external, right? So zoom out, let me see the external. External also. Alright, so what time frame, what time is it?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Alright, fuck that. All right. I'm gonna tell you this. Off of February, you intro off February, some shit, right?
It's
Like high
basically
time frame
just
February,
it's just CRT, but like just one to ones now instead of like the whole range.
so you don't mark out high time frame PDA.
No, not really, bro.
Why?
Well, I do for my narrative, and then like after I found out my narrative, I'm just going on the 15-minute looking for like for a
That
CRT.
you like that's literally just it, bro. Just like high time frame PDA, right?
Yeah.
Like that's what everybody uses. All right, so like high time frame PDAs. What this is from what I've been like, taking down. What you wanna call it? Like fucking data and shit. So it's basically like an order block, right?
Right.
On the 2 minute, it's an order block. So literally, not an actual order. All right, hold on. Let me see. Let me see. Let me find one on the chart. Let me see. Real quick. All right, you see that? You see that move up candle, that move down candle, right there in the middle, that big one.
Yeah.
Did it close above it?
What do you mean? Did it close above it?
It closed. It kind
Yeah.
of. It sort of closed. All right, so, all right, you see how it turtle suits that up close candle? No, go to the left. Go to the left. It's an up close and a down close. Yeah, those two right there. All right, you see the up close?
Yep.
You see how it got turtle suit?
Yep.
That shit right there on the lower time frame though, paired up with a high time frame, like once that shit happened right there, all right, so it's gonna turtle suit then instantly close above that up close candle, right? Like once that shit happened inside of high time frame PDA, I literally mark out the CE of it and enter off that shit, right? So mark out CE of it, not even standard deviation. Fuck the standard deviation. You want to use standard
Yeah. The CE
deviation
this
at
right
this
here.
point. Huh?
Yeah, I'm looking for
No, the
CE
C of the body
of the body.
Yeah. So in that case, you can mark it body to body, right?
Right.
All right. You see how it wicks the body, like the C of the body, and just fucking goes off.
Yeah.
You can like literally with the strat that you use. I see that you don't use standard deviations like that, but that's why I used to use right there, like a up close down. All right. So like basically an order block that basically got closed. All right. How do I explain this shit? All right, say like you looking for bullish price action, right?
Right.
All right, so the down close candle, right? In order to form an order block, there's gonna be a down close candle. The next candle will be a bullish candle, but the bullish candle have to close above the body of the down close candle, so it have to literally eat like engulf it, right?
Right.
And also turtle soup it with the wick. So I would literally mark CE of the previous candle, which is the down close candle.
Yeah. Just mark out like
Then
CE
enter
this.
that order block.
Yeah. Just enter off the CE here, and this stops like at the low here
No, eat the CE of the up close candle.
of the up close candle.
Yeah, that one. You got like pair that shit with the high time frame PDA. You see how it wicks it? It wicks the CE of it, and it just goes up like that.
Right.
That's what I used to use, bro. That shit works like hell. But if it doesn't engulf it within one candle,
So
I will not enter off
elusive.
that. You can do it on the 2 minute or the 1 minute. That shit works every fucking time.
I get it,
Like
bro.
if you want to enter off high time frame PDAs, I would just look for the 2 minute. That shit right there on the 2 minute. I don't know what you want to call it, whatever. I don't know what the fuck it's called. But all right, hold on. Let me see this on 2 minute. Fuck. Go to the left a little bit. I'm trying to figure out where it actually has. All right, hold on, zoom in. Zoom in. In. It happens. It actually happens a lot. That's like. Hold on. Fuck. All right, that's a little one right there. All right, you see to the left. Is it swing low all the way to the left?
Right here.
Some more? No, it's the next swing low or the next two to the left.
Or to the left.
Yes, some more. Yeah, it's a swing low. It's literally a low. Nah, swing low. The next one. The next one. The next one. It's like a small doji. Yeah, right there. You see how it turtle soups that?
This one right here?
No. Go back. He was just at it. He was just pointing at it. Yeah, those two right there.
Yeah.
You see how it turtle soups it and ghost it? Alright, mark that whole body, that whole thing with the C of it.
Hold on. I got it. Let me see.
With the rectangle. You see how it comes into it? It literally taps the CE of that body. Even though it's a small body, I would mark that whole in the body of it.
Right.
It literally taps into it and fucking it goes off. You see that reaction off of it?
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
I would like that's what I used to do. Off of high time frame PRA with your little strap and shit. Like marking high time frame PRAs and sweeps and shit. That's what I used to enter off of. That shit works like hell.
Yeah, no, I get what you mean. Like I'm literally just entering off order blocks, but it's like if I was to take a one-to-one here.
Order block, but the order block actually gets turtle soup in engulfed within
One move, yeah.
I don't know what you want to call it, but that shit right there works like hell.
You know, I get it, bro.
Anything other than that, if it takes two candles, if it turtle soups and takes two candles to engulf that one down closed candle, that shit ends up being, that shit ends up being fucking ran through. But if it engulfs it within one candle, that shit wicks it and literally goes off like that. So, like, with your strap, bro, I would say, like, you know what I'm saying? Try that shit with your high time frame PDAs and shit like that. That shit, like, actually might help.
No, I get it. Yeah, I'll probably start entering off of like 2 minute, like off the CE of the order block.
Yeah, but like make sure it gets turtle soup engulfed within one candle.
Right.
Like, make sure the next candle turtle soups it and then engulfs the next candle like that. Mark the CE of the body. If it's literally a doji with a small body and big wicks, mark the whole wick, the upside of the wick and the downside of it. And mark CE of it. It usually just taps CE of it and just fucking rallies.
I got you. I bet. Yeah, I'll give that a try. Yeah. Because that's what I used to do, like just CE bodies, but no, I got you.
Yeah, that shit works like hell, bro. Just try that shit.
I bet. Appreciate that. Bro, guys, the girl that I showed you guys, bro, she said, you said I have a lazy eye. And I said, ... And she said, look in the mirror. Bro, she's pissed. She's fucking pissed. She's pissed. I'm not tapping that anymore, bro. She's pissed. She's so mad, bro. She's mad. Like, I'm not tapping. I'm not going to get to tap that anymore, bro. I'm going to do one more trade. I'm going to do one more trade that I'm going to dip. Alright, looking at here. Look at the previous daily candle, right? We end up like sweeping out this high, closing above. This should have been my next like candle target. But let's look at the daily profile. Daily profile, London session just dropped. So I'm looking for like a New York reversal. I'm just looking for a New York reversal. So literally, I can literally just enter off of anywhere, bro. I'm looking for a New York reversal here at 10 a.m. So right here, let's get excited. I'm not kicking hearted. I would wait here. I'm waiting. We have SMT here. Do we sweep a 5-minute? Okay, perfect. Yeah, we sweep a 5-minute here. Let's get excited. I just can't hide it. Let's see. Hold up. Let me place the order here. Alright, I'm not okay. I'm fuck the 5 minute, bro. Fuck that shit. Fuck the 5 minute. Oh my gosh, I was looking at the wrong time frame the whole time, bro. Oh my, hold on, I gotta fix this really quick. Not just chaotic. Alright, hold up. We have SMT here. If we can engulf this candle here, I'm taking it. Hold up. Okay, never mind. We don't have an SMT anymore. No SMT anymore. Just wait. We just wait, bro. We just fucking wait. Hold up. I'm about to cook. I'm about to cook. I'm about to cook. I need to see SMT here. There's no SMT here. Nope, no SMT yet. And I just can't hide it. Alright, if we close above here, I'm entering. No, not yet. Yeah, that's why I didn't enter. Hold up, I'm about to fucking cook. Bro, like... Alright, we have SMT here. Sweep. We can't tap this order block here. I'm target 1-to-1s here. Can we tap it? Boom, tap it. Oh, we tapped it, and then we just push up. Beautiful fucking trade. And right here, we would tap CE of this wick, stop to the slow. A beautiful trade. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and call it a day here. Like I said, I think I'm going to start doing 1-to-1s, bro. I think I'm having like a higher or successful rate with 1-to-1s. I'll probably just go up some contracts, to be honest with you. I'm probably just like, bro, come to the Discord. You are in it. We posted a YouTube video. What Discord? Let's get excited. And I just can't hide it. What do you mean? Bro, come to the me and Turbo. Oh, you and Turbo. Let me see. Let me see. Is it in the Equinox chat? No, like I think bring the group actually just highlight this stream. I don't mind the lazy eye. The thing is, I'm going to where she lives in like July. I'm actually going to in July. I'm gonna meet her in person in July, I think. And she lives like in a different state too, bro. I'm doing all of that just to meet her, bro. All of that just to meet her, bro. That's crazy, huh? Let's get excited, and I just can't hide it. Future assault, bro. Bro, chill, bro, chill. She's a full-time liberal, anyways. Just thought that could happen, honestly. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream here, guys. I'm gonna keep working on it, do 1-to-1s, and yeah, bro. Other than that, I will catch you guys all tomorrow.